So now we're doing the combined law, which is Charles' law, Gay-Lussac's law, and Boyle's law all combined. And for this, we have our volume 1, and we have our pressure 1, and we also have our temperature 1. And we have our temperature 1, temperature 2, and we also have our pressure 2. So we're going to be trying to find our volume 2. So we're going to plug in, as you can see, this is the equation for combined law. So now we're going to plug in what we have in the question into the equation. So we have 500 liters. And we have 700 mmGH. hg. Alright, and for our temperature is we have to add 273, which would be 473 Kelvin. And so now we're trying to find our V2. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put for our pressure is, so our pressures in here are not the same. So what we could do is we're gonna make the milliliters of mercury into ATM. So it's a really easy process. You have to do your T-chart. So 700 mmHg equals to 760 at standard temperature would be mmHg to 1 ATM. So you would do 700 divided by 760, and it would be 0.92. So we got our pressure at the same ATM. So what is a volume? So we have, so it would be 293 Kelvin, and we would put an X right here. So what we do is we would multiply these two and these two together. So that would be 0.92 times 500, which would be 460 over 473 equals, which would be 300x would be 293. So now we cross multiply. So what we do is we would do 300 times 473, which would be 14,900, which would be 141,900. X equals to 134,780. And we would divide it to both sides. So, and our answer would be 0.95. So our volume would be 0.95.